Now we shall discuss the last question in the last exercise. You see the question. You have studied in class 9th, chapter 9, example 3, that a median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal areas. So we have studied that if ABC is a triangle, in this triangle we can draw a median. I have drawn the median AM. Okay. This median AM divides the triangle ABC into two triangles. Those are ABM and ACM. These are the two triangles. And they said that, so the area of these two triangles are equal. We have studied this concept. Okay. Now, verify this result for triangle ABC whose vertices are. Here, they given three vertices of the triangle. We have to verify that result. Means we have to draw a median from any vertex or A, B or C. So after that, we have to find areas of two triangles. So median form two triangles here. We have to find them. Then the area must be equal. Okay, we have to prove it. Now I will take triangle ABC. ABC. In this one I drawn the median M. So one point you should remember here. So since AM is the median, then M must be the midpoint of BC. Okay. If you draw median from C, that is CM. Again M is the midpoint of AB. If you draw median from B, so again M is the midpoint of AC. Okay. You can draw median from any vertex. Here I have taken from A to BC. Since M is the midpoint of what? BC, let us find the vertex M. How we can find it? By applying a midpoint formula. Let us write the formula. x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Now this is x1 x2. So BC point you have to take. So B is here, C is here. x1 y1 x2 y2. That is 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 by 2 comma minus 2 plus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 by 2. So this is 3 plus 5, 8. 8 by 2 is 4. Minus 2 plus 2, 0. 0 by 2 is 0, 1. So now here we got the value of M. The point M we got. Now what we have to verify? We have to verify that area of the triangle AMC must be equal to area of triangle AMB. Okay. Let us find the area of triangle AMC. Area of triangle AMC is equal to, let us write the formula first. 1 by 2 into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1. Sorry, after y2 y3, right, plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Okay, this is the formula. What triangle? AMC. AMC. Now we'll consider A as x1 y1, B as x2 y2, C as x3 y3. Let us write the points. A value is 4 comma minus 6. M value. So the vertex M is 4 comma 0 and the vertex C 5 comma 2. Okay. x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Now substitute the values. 1 by 2 into x1. So x1 value is 4. y2 minus y3. y2 is 0. y3 is 2. 0 minus 2 plus x2. x2 value is here 4. y3 minus y1. That is 2 minus 2 minus plus 6. 2 plus 6 plus x3. Now x3 value is here 5 into y1 minus y2. y1 minus 6 minus 0. Minus 6 minus 0. Now this is equal to 1 by 2 into 0 minus 2, that is minus 2. 4 into minus 2, that is minus 8 plus 6 plus 2 8. 8 4s are 32. So minus 6 to minus 0, that is minus 6. Minus into plus, it is minus. 6 5s are 30. Right? 1 by 2 into minus 30 minus 8, minus 38. Minus 38 plus 32, that is minus 6. So this is minus 3. But area of a triangle cannot be negative. Area it cannot be negative. So therefore I can take this as plus. Okay. So 3 square units. Okay. We got what? Area of triangle EMC as 3 square units. One more you have to find what? Area of triangle AMB. Okay. Now area of triangle AMB is equal to area of triangle AMB. Let us substitute the values in the same formula. You keep it in mind that this has x1 y1, this has x2 y2, this has x3 y3. The vertex B 3 comma minus 2. Right? First is x1 into, this is x1 4 into y2 minus y3. y2 value is 0, minus into minus plus 2, 0 plus 2 plus x2 into, x2 value is here 4 into y3 minus y1. y3 value is minus 2, minus into minus plus 6, minus 2 plus 6 plus now x3 into, so x3 value is here 3 into y1 minus y2 in the formula. y1 is minus 6, y2 is 0, minus 6 minus 0. Am I right? Okay. So now we shall simplify this. I should get the answer as 3 1. So that is equals to 1 by 2 into 0 plus 2 2, 2 4 that is 8 plus minus 2 plus 4 it is plus 4, 4 4 is 16. Then minus 6 minus 0 is minus 6, minus into minus, minus into plus it is minus, right? 6 3 is 18. Now this is equals to 1 by 2 into 16 plus 8, how much it is? 24. 24 minus 18, that is 6. Again we got 6 by 2 is equal to what? 3. So that is how much? 3 square units. Okay. We got what? Area of the triangle AMC is equal to area of triangle AMB. Now let us write the conclusion here. Therefore, area of triangle AMC is equal to area of triangle which triangle? AMB. Okay, AMB. So we proved that the median drawn in the triangle ABC, it divides two triangles of equal areas. So we got two triangles of equal areas. We'll discuss or derive the formula. What is that? Area of a triangle. As I said you, I derive this formula at the end of the chapter. I said you, so I'll derive it now. So already we know the formula. What is that? Area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. I will derive it now. Okay. Now for this one I will take triangle ABC. Let us consider two perpendicular axes, x-axis and y-axis. Okay. So these are the two perpendicular axes. This is x-axis and one more, this is y-axis. So this is the point O, origin it is. Okay. Now I consider three vertices of triangle ABC. So this is vertex A and this is B and one more vertex I will take here is C. So the coordinates of this is x1 comma y1 and this has x2 comma y2 and third C as x3 comma y3. So these are the points. Let us join this. We will get the triangle ABC. Okay, this is the triangle ABC. So A x1 y1, B x2 y2, C x3 comma y3 are the vertices of triangle ABC. Now let us draw perpendiculars from the vertex A to x-axis. I will take that as AP. Draw perpendicular from the vertex B to x-axis, that is PQ, means BQ it is. Then now one more perpendicular from C is CR. BQ, AP and CR drawn perpendicular to x-axis. Okay. Now we have to write the explanation. What the explanation? Let us consider A x1 y1, B x2 y2, C x3 y3 are the vertices of a triangle ABC. Okay. Now I'll write it. Let us consider, explanation I must write. Let us consider the vertices Ax1 y1 bx2 y2 and cx3 y3 are the vertices of a triangle ABC. Okay, these are the vertices of triangle ABC. One more, what is that? Draw perpendicular BQ, AP and CR to x-axis. Draw BQ, AP and CR perpendicular to x-axis. Okay, these are perpendicular to x-axis. Now, you observe this diagram. Here what we got is, we got the trapeziums BQPA. Is it trapezium? Yes, it is trapezium because BQ is parallel to AP. So one parallel side is there and these two are not parallel to each other, means AP is not parallel to PQ. So parallel sides are there, non-parallel sides are there, it must be trapezium. And one more, APRC, it is also trapezium. And one more, BQRC, it is also trapezium because BQ and CR are parallel to each other. And these two are not parallel because BC is not parallel to QR. Okay, we got 3 trapeziums. First, I'll write the formula for trapezium. Before that, I'll write trapeziums. Let be BQPA, BQPA, APRC and BQRC are trapezium. Okay, we got them, or trapezium. Now you pause the video. First you take this diagram, then after you write the explanation. Okay. Now I draw the same diagram that side, then continuation. After that explanation, I'll continue here. Okay. So we want that diagram I kept aside. Now already I said you. So there are 3 trapeziums formed. Trapezium BQPA, one trapezium. APRC, one trapezium. One more is BQRC, that is one more trapezium. Now let us write the area of trapezium. You must know this formula. So what is the area of the trapezium? So already we know it. That is 1/2 into sum of the parallel sides into distance between the parallel sides. So I'll write it now directly. 1/2 into sum of parallel sides. Parallel sides. Sum of parallel sides into distance between them, or distance between parallel sides. Distance between parallel sides. Distance between parallel sides. Okay. So this is the formula. What is the area of trapezium? 1 by 2 into sum of the parallel sides into distance between the parallel sides. Now here we are going to find the area of triangle ABC. How we can find it? So you see the diagram, observe the diagram. Area of the triangles ABC can be written as area of trapezium BQPA plus area of trapezium APRC minus area of trapezium BQRC. Can I write? So area of this one plus area of this one minus area of this one. I will get it as area of triangle ABC only. Okay. So area of triangle, this area can be written as area of trapezium this plus area of trapezium this minus area of this trapezium. So remaining portion is what? Area of triangle only. Area of triangle ABC only. Okay. Now I'll write it now. Area of triangle ABC is equal to, what is that? Area of trapezium BQPA. Area of trapezium BQPA plus next again same area of, otherwise I'll write it, area of trapezium APRC minus, so BQPA plus APRC minus area of trapezium BQRC minus, this is very important, minus area of trapezium BQRC. Okay, understood why I have taken this? So area of triangle ABC is nothing but, this area is nothing but area of this one plus area of this one minus area of this. Okay, so I'll get the area of triangle ABC only. Now that is equal to, means area of triangle is equal to, first one you see, area of trapezium BQPA. How I can write it? Area of this trapezium. Already we know the formula of trapezium. That is what? 1 by 2 into sum of parallel sides. In this trapezium, parallel sides are what? BQ and AP. Sum of them. So that is BQ plus AP into distance between parallel sides. The distance between these two, can I write it as QP? I'll write it QP. Okay. Then one more plus. Now area of trapezium APRC. I'll come for APRC. APRC again same formula. So 1 by 2 into sum of the parallel sides. So here parallel sides are AP and RC. So it means AP plus RC into distance between the parallel sides, that is PR. Okay. Then last one minus 1 by 2 into, again because area of triangle BQRC now, BQRC. Again same formula, 1 by 2 into sum of parallel sides. So in this one parallel side as BQ and CR. BQ plus CR into distance between parallel sides. The distance between these two is what? QR it is. So that is QR. Okay. Now again that is equals to 1 by 2 into BQ value is what? BQ. So BQ, it is the distance of a point B from x-axis. That I can say it as what? Y coordinate. That is as a Y2. Can I write? So Y coordinate and X coordinate. Initially we written that. Now AP plus, so AP distance of a point A from x-axis, that is again Y coordinate. Y coordinate is what here? Y1. Y2 plus Y1. QP. So now I have to write a QP. This QP can be written as OP minus OQ. So this I can write as OP minus OQ plus 1 by 2 into AP plus RC, I think. AP plus RC it is. AP plus RC into PR it is. Okay. Now AP value is how much it is? So that is again y coordinate y1 plus RC y coordinate, that is y3. Okay, then minus 1 by 2 into, sorry, PR is also there, PR. So before that minus PR I should write. PR can be written as OR minus OP. Can I write? OR minus OP. Then now this last term, minus 1 by 2 into BQ plus CR. BQ value is what? BQ value is again y coordinate y2 plus CR. So CR value, that is again y coordinate y3. Now the last one, that is QR. So QR can be written as OR minus OQ. OR minus OQ. Okay. Now again that is equals to 1 by 2 into, that is equals to 1 by 2 into y2 plus y1. OP minus OQ. OP, distance of a point from y-axis, that is x coordinate. X coordinate of the point P is nothing but what? X coordinate of the point A. Both are same only. That is what? x1. x1 minus OQ. So distance of a point Q from y-axis is x coordinate. X coordinate of point Q is nothing but x coordinate of point B. Both are same only. That is x2. Now plus 1 by 2 into y1 plus y3. Now OR, again same procedure. OR is nothing but what it is? x3 minus OP is nothing but what? x1. Okay, minus 1 by 2 into y2 plus y3. y2 plus y3 into OR. So OR is nothing but what here? x3 minus OQ is nothing but what here? x2. Okay. You just pause this video. First you copy this. So in the LHS, what is the area of the triangle ABC? Now I have to simplify this till now. Okay. So I should get the answer. That already we know that formula. That formula I should get it. Okay. So they may not ask this proof in the examination, but your first, just for understanding, I am explaining this. Next simplification after this stuff. Area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC is equal to, in all these three, this is one term, second term, and this is third term. In all three terms, 1 by 2 is there. I will take it common. I will take it outside. Inside what will be there? Now I'll multiply x1 to this. x1 into y2 plus y1. y2 plus y1. Next again minus x2 into same step y2 plus y1. Okay, I multiplied these two terms to this. Then I'll come for this. Again same. I'll multiply x3 to these two terms plus x3 into y1 plus y3. y1 plus y3. Then minus x1 into this term again. x1 into, what is that? y1 plus y3. Okay. Now x1 is over. 1 by 2 taken outside. So minus is a minus. I'll write it now. Minus x3 into this. So means x3 into y2 plus y3. y2 plus y3. Then now minus into minus. Now it will become plus. This is very important. x2 into this one. x2 into y2 plus y3. y2 plus y3. Okay. Now this is equals to 1 by 2 into x1. So here is also x1 term, here is also x1 term. Now you take x1 outside. So inside what will be there? y2 plus y1, and inside here minus y1 minus y3. Minus y1 minus y3. x1 over plus. Now x2 term. Here is x2 term and one more is here. So plus x2 taken outside, minus is as it is. Minus into plus is minus y2 minus y1. And one more term here. Plus x2 taken outside plus y2 plus y3. So x2 term over. Then I will come for x3. So x3 into. Now x3 here is and one more is here. x3 taken outside inside of y1 plus y3. y1 plus y3. And here x3 taken outside minus is there. Minus into plus it is minus y2 minus y3. Okay. So this is square bracket. Now that is equals to 1 by 2 into. That is equals to 1 by 2 into. Cancel the terms. So x1 into. Here y1 will get cancelled. So y2 minus y3 we will get. Plus x2 into. Here y2 will get cancelled. What will be there? y3 minus y1 plus x3 into. Now y3 will get cancelled. y1 minus y2. Okay. So as we know the formula, the same formula we got. What is that? Area of triangle. Area of triangle ABC. Okay. So this is the proof for area of triangle. Okay. So just write in our notes only. So this completes the chapter coordinate geometry. So now we will solve some applied questions on this chapter in the next class.